Hi children, this is Mrs. Saranya, Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn 8th Standard Mathematics, Chapter Cubes and Cube Roots, Topic Cube Roots. In this session, we are going to cover the topics are how to find cube root through prime factorization method, how to find cube root of a negative integer, how to find cube root of the product of integers, how to find cube roots of rational numbers, and how to find cube root of a cube number by using its units digit. Let us see what is cube. A number multiplied by itself 3 times. We get the cube number. Let us find the cube of 3. Cube of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3. We get 27. What is cube root? A number x is the cube root of another number y. If y equal x cube. Let us find the cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. If a cube of 3 is 27, then we say that cube root of 27 is 3. Let us learn how to find cube root through prime factorization method. Here, the given number is 4096. First, we should find the prime factors of 4096. How do we find 4096? First, the units digit is 6, even number. So, we can divide by 2. The answer is 2048. Again, ending with even number. So, divide by 2. 1024. Again, divide by 2. We will get 512. Again, divide by 2. We will get 256. Again, divide by 2. We get 128. Again, divide by 2. We get 64. 64 divided by 2. We will get 32. 32 divided by 2. We will get 16. 16 divided by 2. We will get 8. 8 divided by 2. We get 4. 4 divided by 2. We will get 2. 2 divided by 2. We will get 1. What are the factors of 4096? The prime factors of 4096 equal 2 into 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 2. In next step, make the groups of 3. Underline, make groups of 3. Then take one factor from each group. So, cube root of 4096 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Cube root of 4096 equal 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So, cube root of 4096 equal 16. Let us see how to find the cube root of a negative integer. Here, the given negative integer is minus 10,648. Now, we are going to find the cube root of minus 10,648. First, write minus 10,648 as the product of minus 1 and a positive number, that is 10,648. Cube root of minus 1 into cube root of 10,648. Cube root of minus 1. The value is minus 1 into cube root of 10,648. Next, we should find the prime factors of 10,648. Here, the number is ending with even. So, we can divide by 2. The answer is 5,324. Again, divide by 2. The answer is 2,662. Here also, the number is ending with even. So, we can divide by 2. Answer is 1,331. This number is not divisible by 2 because it's ending with odd number. So, we should take the next prime number. Next prime number is 3. This number is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 7 also. So, we should take the next prime number. Next prime number is 11. So, answer is 121. Again, divide by 11. We will get 11. 11 divided by 11, we will get 1. So, the factors of 10,648 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. In next step, find the cube root. Cube root of 10,648. Cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Make groups of 3 of similar factors. So, underline that factors. Then take one factor from each group. So, 2 into 11. This is cube root of 10,648 equal 2 into 11. The question is minus 10,000. Cube root of minus 10,648 equal minus 1 into 2 into 11. So, multiply. The product will be the cube root of the number. So, multiply it. The answer is minus 22. So, cube root of minus 10,648 is minus 22. Next, by what smallest natural number should minus 250 be divided so that the quotient becomes a perfect cube? Here, minus 250 is not a perfect cube. We should make minus 250 as a perfect cube. What will we do? First, we should find the cube root of minus 250. Here, minus 250 is a negative integer. So, first write minus 250 as the product of minus 1 and 250. Here, cube root of minus 1, value is minus 1 into cube root of 250. Then, find the prime factors of 250. The first prime number is 2. 250 is ending with 0. So, we can divide by 2. Answer is 125. 125 is not divisible by 2. So, we should take the next prime number. Next prime number is 3. 125 is not divisible by 3. So, we should take the next prime number. Next prime number is 5. So, we can divide by 5. The answer is 25. 25 divided by 5. Answer is 5. 5 divided by 5. We will get 1. Now, the factors of 250 are 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then, cube root of 250 equal cube root of 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then, make group of 3 with similar factors. Then, take one factor from the group. So, cube root of 250 equal 5 into cube root of 2. Here 2 does not appear in group of 3. The question is negative integer. So cube root of minus 250 equal minus 1 into 5 cube root of 2. Cube root of minus 250 equal minus 5 cube root of 2. Divide minus 250 by 2 and the quotient becomes a perfect cube. Next question is, by what smallest natural number should minus 6125 be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect cube? Here, minus 6125 is not a perfect cube. We should make minus 6125 as a perfect cube. What will we do? First, we should find the cube root of minus 6125. Here, minus 6125 is a negative integer. So, first write minus 6125 as the product of minus 1 and 6125. So, the cube root of minus 1, the value is minus 1 into cube root of 6125. Then, find the prime factors of 6125. First, we should take the first prime number. First prime number is 2. 6125 is not divisible by 2 because the ones digit is not an even number. So, we should take the next prime number. The number is ending with 5. So, we can take 5. 6125 divided by 5. We will get 1225. Again, we take 5. Divide 1225 by 5. We will get 245. Here also the ones digit is 5. So we can divide by 5. The answer is 49. 49 is not divisible by 5. So we should take the next prime number. Next prime number is 7. 49 is divisible by 7. We will get 7. Again divide by 7. We will get 1. The factors of 6125 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Cube root of 6125 equal cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Then make group of 3 with similar factors. Then take one factor from the group. So, cube root of 6125 equal 5 into cube root of 7 into 7. Here the given number is cube root of minus 6125 equal minus 1 into 5 into cube root of 7 into 7. So, cube root of minus 6125 equal minus 5 into cube root of 7 into 7. Here 7 does not appear in group of 3. So, multiply minus 6125 by 7 and the product becomes a perfect cube. Let us learn how to find cube roots of the product of integers. Let us see one example. 125 into 27. Cube root of 125 into 27. Write it as cube root of 125 into cube root of 27. Then Find the factors of 125 and 27. The factors of 125 are 5 into 5 into 5. So, cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into the factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. Cube root of 3 into 3 into 3. Then mark group of 3 with a similar factor. Then take one factor from each triplet. So 5 into 3. Cube root of 125 into 27 equal 15. Let us learn how to find cube roots of rational numbers. Let us see one example. 343 by 3375. Now we are going to find the cube root of 343 by 3375. First, we should find the factors of 343 and 3375. So, cube root of the factors of 343 are 7 into 7 into 7 by the factors of 3375 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then mark the group of 3 with similar factor. Then take one factor from the group. So take 7 from a numerator by take 5 and 3 from denominator. So 7 by 5 into 3. 7 by 15. By observing the units digit of a cube number, we can find its cube root. If the cube number is ending with 0, the cube root will have 0 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 1, the cube root will have 1 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 2, the cube root will have 8 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 3, the cube root will have 7 at its units digit. If the cube number is ending with 4, the cube root will have 4 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 5, the cube root will have 5 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 6, the cube root will have 6 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 7, the cube root will have 3 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 8, the cube root will have 2 at units digit. If the cube number is ending with 9, the cube root will have 9 at units digit. Let us learn how to find cube roots of perfect cubes without factorization. 729. The given cube number is 729. Then we should see the units digit. Units digit of 729 is 9. So, units digit of its cube root is 9. Then, ignoring the ones, tens and hundreds digits, no number is left. So, cube root of 729 is 9. Let us see one more example. 4913. The given cube number is 4913. Units digit of 4913 is 3. So, units digit of its cube root is 7. Then, ignoring the ones, tens and hundreds digits, we are left with 4. Then, we should find the perfect cube number equal to 4 or less than 4. First cube number is 1. 1 cube equal 1. 1 is smaller than or less than 4. And 2 cube equal 8. 8 is greater than 4. So, tens digit of the cube root is 1. Cube root of 4913 is 17. Thank you, children.